Okay, so this one is the continuation of the last class. Last class, first we have done the functions of entrepreneur, and then we start off with the role of entrepreneur, where we have done promote capital formation, provide employment, increase GDP and PCI. GDP is gross domestic product and PCI is per capita income. Bring new products to the market. Okay, better quality at low price. So the next point, development of industries. They are doing more and more. Where they will do the production, for that they should have a industrial premises. Okay, so what is this? They promote development of industries. They do promote industrialization in rural and backward area. Why they are doing it in the rural and backward area? It's not your home that you have to be in a posh area like JP Nagar, Banarghata, like that. Okay, in Bangalore they are doing the work of production. It doesn't need where you are. They will see whether all the factors of productions are available in adequate or not. Okay, so they prefer the rural or backward area because there the land rate is low. They can get more land for less price. So what happened, one industry is growing there means in and around the people they can get job. Even the people there, they will come outside excuse me, and they can have some tea, coffee, so the shops will go, so people will have some extra income. So they are helping they are promoting the industries, and for that they are doing it in the rural and not only rural, urban areas also, but urban areas now it is full. Okay, so they prefer to go for Greater Bangalore. I am giving you the example of Bangalore. It is Greater Bangalore, where means outskirt of Bangalore. There the place is there. They are happy with that place. So they will be there to do their business. Next is development of society. Development of society means, see, they are having an industry. For that, what is happening? They are giving employment. If they are giving employment, the persons who are employed there, they are getting a salary. So their standard of living or day to day or per capita income, what I told you, that per person, what is the income? Okay, it increases. They can run their home very successfully. So that is the thing, that in that way they are doing the development of society. Next is promote export trade. Export means export and import. Export means whatever the production or materials or product I am having, when I am sending it to other country, that is known as export. And if I am taking or bringing some product from outside the country, that is known as import. So whatever we are producing, India is the largest producer of spices in the world. India is the largest producer of tea leaf in the world. Okay, so what happened? We first do the needful for our country, and we are having whatever the excess, we are exporting it, means we are sending it to other countries and we are getting some money for that or revenue for that. Like that also, several things we are also bringing from other countries. Suppose you are these mobiles companies, Vivo, Oppo, they are China made. We are taking that. Samsung, Nokia, they are Japan made. Okay, so like this, several things are there which we are using, which are from other country. So that is the import, and export is whatever we are sending, that is export, and whatever we are taking, that is import. Okay, so this will end here. And next is importance of entrepreneur. What is the importance? What is the importance of entrepreneur? Entrepreneur first is spark plug to economic engine. Spark plug. What is this spark plug? I will tell you. Once you have seen, whatever your bike is there, you are doing self start or kick start. Okay, it is a spark plug which will flash fast to make the engine run. Like that, entrepreneur are the person, they are like a spark plug who just spark for the economic engine. Means our economy is getting developed only because of this entrepreneur. So we have taken an example, or we have called them as the spark plug to economy engine. Next is they occupy central position in market economy. Market economy means whatever the market we are having. Okay, in market economy, this entrepreneur are the person who took the place of the central position. Without them, no industry will get developed. Okay, so they are called they are in the central position of the market economy. Third one, a society become prosperous and healthy economically because of the success, prosperity, growth and innovation and opportunity determinants in the economy by the entrepreneur. Okay. Once the industry is developing, what happened? The employees and all, their salary is also getting high. So everything will get increased or raised once the society is having some good entrepreneur. Okay. So next is value addition and creation of wealth. They encourage value addition and creation of wealth for the economic development of the country. What is value addition? I have already described in the keywords. Okay, value addition is value added in the difference between the price of the product or service and cost of producing it. Suppose I am producing a mobile for 5 rupees and I am selling it for 50 rupees. People will not take. There should be a justification or logical reasoning for that thing. So they are giving a value added and creation of wealth. Creation of wealth means some good products are coming to the market. We are using it. So they are doing the creation of wealth. Okay. Next is, it is the energy, creativity and innovation triggered by entrepreneur for production and sale of new products and sell. They have enormous energy, they have enormous creativity. Okay, they are having a team also. It's not that only that person is taking the decision. I told you in the previous video that he is taking the suggestions from other persons, but he is making the decision. Okay, so they are the person who are very energetic, creative and innovative to do the production and sale of new products and services, and to bring also all these products and services for the betterment of us. Next is, they undertake risk in search of profit and to satisfy the need of the customer in a proper way. Why they are taking the risk? They are taking the risk only to make profit. But okay, not only profit, if they get loss, we are not going to pay them. But if they don't get the loss or profit, means the product is successful, and if the product is successful, he will get the product, he will get the profit. But us, means we the customers, we will get the benefit of that product. We must encourage and reward the entrepreneurship. If it is a good product, we should always buy it. Of course, check the value of that product. Okay. A dynamic society in the world are those who have outstanding entrepreneur. Dynamic society. We live in a place that is known as a society. If some dynamic entrepreneur is here, then he will always establish some businesses in this place, and for that reason, what will happen? The industry will grow, means the society will get income and automatically it will grow up. Okay, so the society which is having a good entrepreneur or more number of entrepreneur, that place, see, the industrial areas are very well monetarily settled, because their money is there. Once you are having money, you can judge your standard of living. So that is a thing, that entrepreneur is the person who makes the society healthy, and he is the reason for the growth and development of economy of the country as well as of the society. Notes should be supplemented to you. Please go through the notes, and in the next video I will tell you, okay, some people are having very bad handwriting. So my suggestion is that you write it But the thing is that once you come to the school, please take Xerox, because if you take printout from your mobile, it will be costly for you. One page they will take 5 rupees. But if you take Xerox, 2 rupee for front and back. So it's your wish, but your handwriting you are not able to understand. How I will understand? So better you meet me. Those who are having bad handwriting, take the notes and keep it Xerox from the shop, so that it will be easy for you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.